The self-acclaimed leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, refused to appear before a federal high court in Abuja in protest against the federal government's refusal to obey a court of appeal judgment that ordered his release from detention. The refusal to honor the high court was conveyed to Justice Binta Onyako by the federal government counsel, Mr. Mohammed Abubakar. Anambra State Governor Charles Soludo has declared support for the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Grand Alliance, ABGA, Justice Peter Omeadi. The governor kicked against the ambition of the Labour Party presidential candidate and an ex-Anambra State Governor, Peter Obi, saying the obedient movements are offshoots of the People's Democratic Party. The governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, has invited the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, to inaugurate the project in the state. Former aide to former President Goodluck Jonathan, Reno Omokri, has said that the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, is clean in terms of corruption, unlike his other counterparts running for the 2023 presidential election. The new Nigeria People's Party has said its presidential candidate, Dr. Rabiu Kwankwaso, will not step down for his People's Democratic Party's counterpart, Atiku Abubakar. The Independent National Electoral Commission on Saturday distanced itself from a purported investigation of criminal forfeiture against the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Bola Tinubu. The statement, which was allegedly signed by Annex National Commissioner and Chairman of the Information and Voter Education Committee, Festus Okoye, has said the electoral body was liaising with the Northern Illinois District Court in the United States of America to establish more facts about the case before taking a decision. What is your take on Nnamdi Kanu's refusal?